Ni oda talent no and a head coach Edema 11 Wonders Bobo no. Now that talent asadi atu enim say Osha has to come technical team na a kodri drama ni di enim Osha ma assistant Gazalima obetima kase Ghana ha say no o ka team ba ko mo good technical team a obetima yi has to football buku no ni odate lamte.
Well, I think they had a good technical team. You can't take anything away from BIGGY. And then I watched their 2 games, which they did very well. You know, but also there's some, you know, loopholes that maybe as a technical man I've seen it, so I'm going to work on that.
No, ni other talent and Ede Sanchez no Ede to your name. Na yanko PM Ewo Nations FC Bobo Kone no anomo head coach Kasim Okainse Mengel. Eden Sembebre na Ede Atuja na Kasim Mengel say nyame adom mu game mo ne Samatese kwa kobo no 3 points no Nations FC for the nyina.
Definitely, you know, you go away, you give a good performance and you lost. You come home, you definitely have to work hard and take your 3 maximum points. It's not going to be easy, but they have to work for it.
Kainse Mengel and Ede Sanchez no Ede Atuja na Kasim Mengel say Yankama Nations FC sita for no any penny fonti as say omu game on Samates be bon very difficult because Samates omu first 2 games e Ghana Premier League no omu ntimi winning ti Monday 3 no Samates Ebema Nations a difficult game.
As I told you, very difficult game, very no. Their first 2 matches they've not won a game since we started, so they are coming like a wounded target to come and play. So we also have to double our effort to make sure we secure all the 3 points.
Eno aye Kasimo Kainse Mengel and Ede Sanchez no Ede Atuye ni mienko PM or Razak Simpson no aye center back Edema Nations FC Bobo no Razak Simpson say nanu omuko lusu against Aduana Stars no omu di defeat ni to omachi no omu game omu ne Samates no ma say ombeti menya 3 points ni nyina.
Into away to play against Aduana they are there, like their place is a very difficult arena to play. And we went there, we took the game to them, we played all our heart out, and at the end of the day, last minute, and they got a goal. We just see it has passed, so we just put it behind us. We are working towards this coming game. And sure.
Na Razak say, or come will be at the teams are who compete to Ghana Premier League, no Nations FC 4 targets in the say, on bet me a winning league, no.
Sure, like always for the past 2 seasons, that's our main aim to take the Ghana Premier League trophy, but we will not be in any rush or pressure or something. We will do the best way we Nations FC players we know how to do best. Take every game one at a time.
Oh, I Razak Simpson or no, as also see a kind of Nations FC and the Kakra to Danienko PM. Our mediama bobo kona sweye na no ani ene Ibrahim Tanko atwetwe nkomo na Ibrahim Tanko say mediama form na ewo soro pa mi busa wo coach mu secret aye say mu de ahye season ase a ama mediama form no soro secret no eye dey Ibrahim Tanko.
I think there's no magic and it's not by mistake. I think it's the result of the hard work we did at the preseason. So definitely this is our style of play and this is what we are going to continue, and I hope at the end of the season it will yield results for us.
Ibrahim Tanko and Ede Kakra Ede Tudano. Na Ibrahim Tanko mami busa wo mu game against Karela na approach ni say ana musi approach game no eye mediama bobuku no.
Like any other game, like you said, they have a very good team. I think they have a very new players with a very good coach behind them. Like I said, we go in any game with our own style. It doesn't matter we are playing home and away. We want to control the game. So definitely, this is what we are going to do.
Ibrahim Tanko and Ede Kakra Ede Tudano. Na mami ko PM ewo Nurudin Ibrahim ono player. Ede ma mediama bobuku no. Nurudin mami mbusa wo. Coach Eddie Bebrena to Ghana players in the playing body no preparation ahead of Karela game no saying and it's here Nuruddin Ibrahim.
Soldiers. If the commander-in-chief says I'm ready, we are also ready. We did the same in Doma. We just have a target. Go and win. Go and prove a point. We are just going there to prove a point, with or without the supporters. We are paid to do this, so that's why we know how to do best. So we go and do our best.
Eno Nuruddin Ibrahim ono player edema mediama bobokuo no ana de kakra etudwane yen chansuo no ne yen konko piem ewo Bechem United eno ana Bechem United omo head coach Desmond Bochi esoso ede kakra atudwa head of omo game a omo ne Heart of Lions eba kwahia bob no na coach Desmond mamimbusa Bechem United mu preparation ahead of Heart of Lions game no saying ana preparation no esi eko.
No, we are going to play all Monday this month, and we are working towards it. We came from Monday, and we are going gradually. At least for Sunday, we'll be there. The first one was any challenge that we can bring out, we come out with the facility.
And no, Desmond Bocho, no, and head coach Edema Bechem United, and the Kakra Edi Atujano. Na Frank Amankwa, as a player Edema Bechem United, or the Atuja say, if it is so, see a kind of Ghana Premier League, you know, we share Heart of Lions and probably Heart of Lions ain't mean sure no Frank Amankwada. And Nami Adumo Muge Momone Heart of Lions Bono, sa record no crack Frank Amankwano, or her say, sa record no, on't mean Lusu sa record no Frank Amankwa at the Sanchi Tribune Diamai.
And he said, as a player, we also making sure that we my baby, we just do on my mom, so by who ever Thomas. He said, the Ocasa, Minus, or say, yes, I'm making sure, say, that mark and with me, I reflected on Sunday, yet many resources every one.
No, Frank Amankwa, player, Edema Bechem United. And they kakra area to Jano. Yanko PM Diana Stars, Nano Diana Stars, or head coach, Choba Risika, eso de kakra, ede atu Janyami Adumone eye, Swedro or Blast, Nebeshia Boom, na preparation, Diana Stars, Ayeno, Arisika, so ede kakra area tuja.
The team need working together. Is starting working from 3 lines, defensive, what you see from the last game, what is the problem from the defensive, and I have little problem from communication. Some player not communication from another player, and need one leader talking from the defensive line. This is the little problem. The middle, the same. Need working about last game sometime.
Baby, I was almost strengthen no. Or some medal na kwa asem kese pa. Na maso ata player the my team friend say Diana Stars. Or the two just say Diana Stars team no ready for All Blast.
I was saying 100% sure say they are ready for the game because over training as OBI. I was saying 100% sure say they are ready for the game because over training as OBI ready. Omambo OBI ready say coach mana akunya na obetumi si akama Adriana Football Club. See, I was saying the OBI ready 100%. Game ready say we need game where ebema ebetumi akokoda first to third. Into game ready maximum 3 points.
Omo hwe nim so betuma akwa we need game no. IBSOC Mining and Engineering Training School. Omo ana aba Ghana ha se omo boama yakwa akosua de sa opese ohun excavator ni twi wheel loader no pese ohun twi bulldozer roller no ni nyina na ye ba bi ba akopɛ ana ru wani che IBSOC Mining and Engineering Training School opo mecha akwa omo oboase zongo je number we na from 0204 170 270 Garden Herbal Industries. Omo na akwa kofa Garden Herbal Mixture, Garden Herbal Capsules ne dia ba sawotina se usisi ye oya koko na ha obema wayemre STDs no menstrual disorders no ni nyina no Garden Herbal Mixture and a Garden Herbal Capsules no obi a wuntimi nda no Garden Herbal Industries ndupa no akope bi no etimi abobo je number we na frem panyimfo 0206 33 5311 0206 33 5311 Alaska Star Enterprise Ghana ni Africa die omo number 1 key distributor eba quality and affordable wallpapers adie bi yedisiesie dem yedisiesie office yedisiesie store ebema dem IFM ma dem aye nika no Alaska Star Enterprise so ana odi weni ebe che osa enye yarepa enti na no pe utie mi a osa tamfo aduro no me kamfo e de amount hasa mixture hasa council se no ana yedi tu osa na se enti u pe duro ade betu osa na se a sane nso hasa mixture hasa capsules hasa mixture ne hasa capsules baby abefe bia no ubetimenye bi no wetimi ato flamingo paint any paint papa bedwama so a obi age atum edan na wesie no upe paint ayuso a flamingo paint insuo to inside dan no ewiabo a inside dan no enti sane nso ukodwama so no akwakope paint ato a de wasa woto no flamingo paint city ceramics say de ni disema ba ɛde ama plumbers ɛne tilers materials yɛde yɛ adwuma no baabi baako pɛ ne yɛde yɛni kyerɛ ɛyɛ city ceramics ɔmo ɛna ɔmo materials ne yɛ papa ɔmo materials ne boɛfo enti woyɛ plumber material wɔ sɛ wo use no hyɛ ne nso sɛ wobɛkɔ city ceramics aso ɛyɛ ma mo to tiles no tilers no baabi a wɔ sɛ mokɔ no ɛyɛ city ceramics 0244 769943 Benjamin Dental Clinic ɔmo ana ɔmo yɛsi ho adwuma no ɔmo boa ma biribi akɔye sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ɔkɔyɛ teeth whitening scaling polishing extraction dental implants adeɛ bɛɛ fɛn yɛsi ho adwuma no ɛyɛ baabi baako pɛ na ɔde w'ani kyerɛ Benjamin Dental Clinic aso ɛyɛ 0549 906 588 Kennedy Digital Satellite home appliances na himfie no adeɛ bi ɛka home appliances deɛ ɛyɛ baabi baako pɛ ana ade w'ani kyerɛ ɛyɛ Kennedy Digital Satellite home appliances bi a wopɛ bia no ne boafo ana ne quality no ɛwɔ soro enti hyɛ ne nso sɛ wopɛ home appliances a free television iron kettle biribi ɛfa home appliances deɛ ɛyɛ Kennedy Digital Satellite aso ɛyɛ gye Uncle Ken number ne frɛ no 0244 385 128 Solak Mixture abrantie ababaawa aseɛ hɔ no nkabɔne wɔ hɔ rashes egu hɔ ɛyɛ infections ahodoɔ no ɛyɛ Solak Mixture ne yɛde to aseɛ bɛrima wayɛ mmerɛ wɔ mpem low sperm count no Zipman capsules ne yɛde to aseɛ panyan wobɛte dɛnnɛ prostrate ne deɛ ɛyɛ Prostafate capsules ne nyinaa no ɛyɛ Dr. Solomon Adaroma ano akɔfa sɛndro wɔ nyinaa de aba 0245 616 028 Doormaster wesiw dan na wie opap no papa yusu dia ɛyɛ baabi baako pɛ na ɔde w'ani kyerɛ ɛyɛ Doormaster wakɔ Turkey Israel China Germany akɔfa opno papa ne de aba designs ne de dɔɔso ɛbro 400 enti opap no papa yusu dia baabi baako pɛ na ɔde w'ani kyerɛ Doormaster so ɛyɛ 0505 892268 Tabia Takum Oba Watinka ɛwɔ fam bɛrima wayɛ mmerɛ wɔ mpem infections no ɛyɛ Tabia Zeneca ne yɛde to aseɛ malaria no ɛyɛ Tabia Herbal Mixture Tabia Herbal capsules no susu odwama so baabi a bɛfɛ bia ne Tabia ndupa no wobɛtumi anya bi no watumi atɔ Philo Milk Philotimo Industries Limited Omadaroma ana akɔfa Philo Milk ne de aba ɛne milk a yɛsɔre anɔpa breakfast no yɛyusu student no ma mokɔ air boarding house ma mokɔ hostels no ɛyɛ Philo Milk akra no Philo Milk na ɔde ma no saa ne formula no e contain protein calcium vitamins enti wopɛ milk a wobɛyusu ɛbɛboa nipadua no a ɛyɛ Philo Milk deɛ baabi a bɛfɛ bia no wobɛtumi anya bi no watumi atotɔ Garden City University College ɔmo School of Health and Allied Science no ɛfrɛ mene wo kase programs na dɔɔso wopɛ sɛ ɔkɔyɛ dental therapy BSc Medical Laboratory Diploma in Medical Laboratory ɛyɛ Garden City University College wopɔ mɛkyerɛ akwan akoma ase Kenya ase wobɛhu Garden City mpanyimfoɔ ɛwɔ hɔ Medima for Herbal Hospital Dr. Time da so Dr. Sebra non-for time ɛmfanto yareɛ no so yareɛ bɛn na yareɛ sɛ ɛyɛ diabetes ɛyɛ hypertension cancer stroke prostate ne nyinaa no ɛyɛ baabi baako pɛ na ade w'ani kyerɛ Medima for Herbal Hospital Kumase ebu akwa agugu behu omo wɔ hɔ nkran so poku ase mayira wobɛhu Medima for Herbal Hospital ɛwɔ hɔ Gino Jollof me sese deɛ Gino ama aduane na ayemre aduane na abɛyɛ no jollof na abɛyɛ no sɛ oyɛ de ama wadamfo oyɛ de ama abusua oyɛ de ɛso ɛyɛ party ahodoɔ events ni nyina no jollof na abɛyɛ no hyɛ ne nso ɛyɛ Gino Jollof me no ingredients na ɛwom no ɛyɛ rich a ɛboa ama aduane na yɛ de entu kodwama so na wo so opɛ sɛ opɛ ingredients ade ba bɛyɛ jollof a hyɛ ne nso sɛ ɛyɛ Gino Jollof me no no akɔpɛ bi Buzia Ventures fom papa na yɛduru no ɔhɔ ana yɛ phones na ahimfie no me no kasa Buzia Ventures ɛne gi sɛ ma wɔ hɔ no yɛ sɛ okɔ na so ɛyɛ na wo sika ne mpokran so ya ode o Ghana card ɛkyerɛ na watua sika ne kakra ɛkyerɛ no na wotua ne kakra fom bi a wopɛ bia no phone accessories ne nyina no ɛyɛ Buzia Ventures aso yɛ na abɛkɔ Kumase ɔmone zoo no ana di nhwɛ ne mu Kumase Kenyatia MTN office no Buzia wɔ hɔ 0240 267802 Semens Vital Herbal Mixture and Capsules agan no mekanfo edi amount bema 2 minutes no wetimi agye mu no ɛyɛ nimguase sempa ɔba sese na tenka no wɔ fam no aduane si w'anim untimi ndi appetite no alusu general body pains no sciatica sisi yare no ne nyina no ɛyɛ Semens ɔmo ndupa no baabi a bɛfa bia betimi anya bi na wetimi atɔ 0244 718 557 DPS pipe no ɛna no pay me kamfo edi amount project na oyɛ ne building no factories ne farm no bibia fa project ubehia ɛyɛ pipes dia DPS pipe no ɔma kɔfa PPL PVC ne de aba enti sɛ ne nso sɛ wopɛ pipes sɛ use dia DPS pipe no 0543 66 2727 promotion ɛne di sɛm aba Royal Foam a promotion e koso na we student na wutie mi a okɔ Royal Foam aso ɛyɛ na akoto student mattress na ɔma pillow free na tie ɛne di sɛm kɛse ɛwɔ mu ne ɛsɛ Royal Foam omo 4-inch mattress no ebo no or the about 350 Ghana cedi. 3-inch mattress no or the about 320 Ghana cedi. Umpe na de na ope the hand so be call Royal Foam. Oma so ye na promotion e cost no bibia koye e the amount 3p garlic mixture no and ope me can for e the amount obi a asthma e how stroke and e how kesia na wo ye sugar level was ra e 3p garlic mixture no and a make can for e the amount sending so 3p bottle na omundro ni wom no enya plastic e glass tu koto na ewo plastic bottle ma enye du papa 3p garlic mixture no ewo glass bottle baby abefebia no 3p ubetimanye bi no wetimi ato Best Brain Publication Limited omo ana Ghana ha say die ye rate omo books no 5-star ana A1 a free basic 1 ekosi basic 6 ni nyina omo textbook no eye Best Brain aso eye JHS textbooks no so no Best Brain akonka ba bia entu pe books papa to de ama oba sene nso se obekọ Best Brain aso eye upo mechi akwan akuma se Pankrono me behind La Posada Hotel. And I saw from 0241 520 946. Love a group of companies, Super Lovic, phones no. Then I will pay about phones near accessories. Phone be a upe biano, a Super Lovic as ye. Home appliances so dear. Super Lovic a quack of papa pane diaba. The enable from Nenity Seme or honey, say promotion. Koso Super Lovic as ye. Uko Super Lovic now say a electronic product be an ukotobia. What is swam out 30% and to Trumika say the cost Super Lovic as ye 0501 63 5621. Spanish garlic mixture and capsules and opay me can for the amount otina se chena onasia tatai sadiena dosu omu ubie wenum kankan halitosis menstrual disorder what are you na ho kekao a Spanish garlic mixture and capsules and American for the amount ya kasem chiro se na refi a Spanish ginkgo capsules and also kope bi na ultimate 0266 114111 Betway rewards ne koso na ni di 7 years say uko Betway aso ya se oko sports oko casino de obeye bia u geni points na points na be geni no utimi convert mani be yeska ebe yeska so aseska no betime yi na de akwa akoye de ope de ehia so be login e wo Betway so be cost sports and so be casino ope betting company say de omo reward Ghana for a Betway that so ye na abeko Niwa Scientific Herbal Hospital Dr. Nimu aso ye ne edu no ma wari ache mu awo so emba ni nyina akwa akoye asem eni di sem ne ye say Dr. Nimu ebo am wetimi awo low sperm count no prostate no kidney liver halitosis infections ni nyina no baby ba akopɛ ana odi weni tre Niwa Scientific Herbal Hospital Dr. Nimu number ne frɛ no 0244 087 687 OP wallpapers 3D wallpapers near OP picture frames near onwa best and limes no air diffusers no ring lights no 3D wall clocks no adie bia CDC dem no OP aso na abeko edum first floor na kwesi agema na bronsan no bohu OP wo ho chronom barrier omne chronom market no and edin hwene mu 0540 353 750 WS Betting Ghana Omo anama betting aye de ewo Ghana ha sei na ni giseme ewom ni ye say ukọ WS Betting Ghana so ya o first deposit nunya ya omo ma bonus 600% os no se shutu kosoro ope betting company omo os no osra WS Betting Ghana aviator ne kosoro cash out ni se ba ya no no wayi ni ntem ni nyina no WS Betting Ghana wasori ano pe obenu nsuo upe nsu papa no ma kangen anaje drinking water enni nsu a yagia tuma ni nsu ekwa akobɔ ni pedua no hyɛne nso typhoid adɔɔso enti pensu papa no kangen anagic drinking water alkaline water je number we ne frɛ mpanyimfoɔ 0241 449191 0241 449191 Astolins International sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ɔkɔsua deɛ wɔ UK Canada, Australia, New Zealand, US, European country biano, Astolins International so na abɛkɔmo ane agye ɔmatum upo mekyra kɔmo askwa City Mall no basement baby a parking car na se ho no ho ana abehu Astolins International jomo number ne from 0550 199991 0501 99991 eno Astolins International headquarters achina say latest ewa manone or the eba join your Facebook hear me LAWSONTV on Facebook LAWSONTV on Facebook obe share odo comment ebeto na bibia ye kama LAWSONTV on Facebook share for comment efa na kachire unu say headquarters at na latest e won microphone cruise no odi ni nyina esoso e de eba Ken.
Kwame na nema tise. Yele me ase. Mami ni nkomo kakra. Aye yi Shining Star. Aye me patrol aye dia source aye company no. Yele to aye di padom ni nso anim especially mami mo wo aye makola aye market ma mo kuma central market ene market saka nyina mo ton aye stocks no. Students nso abie. Me so kwa de opibia no ombeso ebeye dia ma kama. Onim se ye twa source ni nyina e wo Ghana ha. Enti enwo hia so bekọ ba bia send wo koto socks bia aje ho ena obeton enya faso bebre eyi aye Shining Star aye company me patro maso na ende ye do aye won sam nso to ganti kuma so mo Prade Junction me patro Kosado so pe ena won sam nso be come from 05 aye 34 31 67 aye 50 and in the screen is me patro fra on sa enso ebe campaign for na bia so e kama betway with very bet aye rewards and a betway rewards no aye dia mo a wunya points no ne ye convert all points to aye cash aye sika ejime so oje aye betway ko so na bet enso betway because ho na no wunya sika ne bebre betway no ko so na bet na bia so enye kama ma me fan to bia se saso wo de aye saso kum tonto na preko saso ebe kum tonto nyina enso dia ma eti ko so na yisu saso enso wo fi saso na enwa ene nyina yisu enwa obia enso yisu odie eye saso eno eje chene ye fa ni so na menko eye amana ne mra ba eye pi enso ba ene ye je ba no nyame adweme ma re se rapaholic no eye concert kese no watena is there a time na yaso what you say sana na rehearsals na koso
yeah na rehearsals
and the rehearsals na koso dia na chese bia set
eno asusu na Jackie bedru ye
Jackie ababedu
na wa onipa na etiechi iPhone so onipa
DJ Bang.
Ono ana tie chira oye bibia o.
Okay.
Ono ana kofa Jackie Free Airport.
Ono ana de Jackie Free Airport.
Na shata mu nyina so ba bi.
Shata so ba be doing there. Say Jackie de me media.
Yeah, wow.
Mr. Jackie enso ba be do. Shata be ban there. Okay. Yem friends we. Professionals never know.
Yeah.
Top never na nyagro kra. Na take it on say some dey interesting. Sa kwa dia na unim say be fa na.
Oh, unse
take it no as a hiding.
Unse obi aso ye Ghana ase ni attitude ni ase ye twen ama aben ho.
Na asa. Asa. Na minim se bia ombesande bia ombetimi eno na omo ye ho adwuma.
Yeah, okay.
Se ombetimi asande bi abaka ho.
Because nkofo busa pa.
Take it ba bia dia asa. De omo de ba ko ba bia.
Ani omo nto table
table ni de ho. Table there
say 70,000 say obetima to be.
O say table 30,000 wom 20,000 wom. Depende
sports team no to be table be 3 man.
Me fa me kan to table na mama sana wo kan.
Sports team.
Me sa ko de na nkaza table bi me kwa kwatena me mo table. Ono table ni bi wo ha me kwatena no so dada. Na ye ma me table na me tena no so na me nsan ko to table.
Sports team ye does into to table be 3 man.
40,000. Any ma stance ni mo ho no. Nti Montreal bibia be kama ho kra be hu ye obe hu kra che obi a. Why? Young friends, Kwame DELA. I'm not going to call so, and somehow you didn't come over here. And you're the Tianity Rapala concert, and you do come on into Emma a year Urimfi, and no a year Tiano. Take it no BIS, some money be Mr. Mo, Sako de Tianamo for being Comomo, and Central for Ness, and would be more for me. And come on, be a come
promotion and some trophy near massive.
Yeah, you know, bloggers and be brave. So, I be brave, deserve it almost so about no be brow, you be a maybe I come. Young friends, you now you knew come off because of a massive. Kwame, I'm a new come why, Naman Cobra, Ghana for a Quajuma. Okay. I know Kwame DELA now tells all the latest local stories, you know. What in the Premier La Liga game circle so 2 matches in a course or Sasuna the Elche game near 1-1. A year Real Oviedo, Etna Barcelona, ever some a year 3-1. The Patromana Teki a year go, and that's the first goal I'm gonna say. Nemoera Garcia, Robert Lewandowski, Ronald Arroyo, Omina so Eshe my Barca, my men found to just UEFA Europa League. And their games circle so Lee, Etmeche a year Clubber, ye former a year Brand, Esomu 2-1. Aston Villa. Villa and Bologna game no Aston Villa win 1-0 Emre say John McGain enya sa go no Emre say LC on trade Etrafie Emma aye Lyon be so mo and some aye 1-0 LC Porto eche Salzburg ekwesomo 1-0 Stuttgart eche Celta Vigo somo 2-1 Young Boys Etrafie ma Panathinaikos ebe somo 4-1 and La Liga adia Girona Bayern Espanyol Bundesliga Bayern Munchen Elbo Werder Bremen and Strasbourg ne aye Olympique Marseille amuso game ne so ba so de wonsam no mamuntu we game say nyame atoma and paso yedi aye ho nkomo enso ede chomiti san nkomo no mame fa sansem we emrem na mo ho sere nsem no ene som esitie ayaje ne apprentice for the Donny van de Beek for the mame na say Girona player no wakopra na player no pra no pra no yade ha dwen the yet ne say ACL ensom apa say mo be say ACL no the players ni nya no mo nya say season as no players be pre na enya ACL amro say Tariq Lamptey yade ababa to anim adia Leone Giovanni yade ababa to anim aye players ni be pre enana we ko adia chana we ko enom aye Donny van de Beek and the yet no komo or your former player na ex player and my club from Manchester United now na me be to anim Sanchez Sergio Busquets ebaba bonte dia baba to anim Sunday wa retire season e pa na bia no or the official announcement and so about Sunday season e pa na bia or the something nyina no and so upon a year, and more 36 trophies and a branch and sweaty magic, including FIFA, a World Cup, a Euros, plus UEFA Champions League trophies, and team opening way, doing that regarding the best ever midfielder, as well Piemans was as you say, debated here, Nemum way a Sergio Busquets, and not the swimming and upon a year, Yabonabaso, Nina says season upon a year, and one no, Nancy was just football, and so Epa, Yadon one Sunny P and so Emamo, and a branch and a year to home coma. Yadon one Sunny P and so Emamo, my men fan to just a Carlo Ancelotti, Ebedito Como, a year noa, my men fan to just a noa, the biograph, you know, my son say at the P and so to Tuja, and some of the Tuja, me the P and so Bremo, and they were quite Chelsea. I said Chelsea Pamaya Pamling Yano, a year open year for Roman Abramovich, Eka Chan is a hair, Medoba, Yafano Fernando Torres, Yen fee. Also, Fernando Torres every game. Champions League, one papa pam na ningi no Champions League no mo access no na nye Premier League also buy no ayaje Roman Abramovich aka chane semasa ba me de wa bai ayaje UEFA Champions League o se game bi o mo boy o mo frame no de ko buy ne say opanyin e ba dress room ho and the two players no and no coach ni nyina anim se coach no say ye boy na wantime qualifier e ma ne ma training grounds for krade a chia o se Roman Abramovich aka si nanim straight say so mo lose game na a man in Madia Chakra man training. Ninas Obapam no, because bought in a buy no, a UEFA Champions League in Tia. Once I buy Obaji Premier League, no, or sit that day, or can't have some channel, our dressing room or some catcher players, no, says so mind to me on qualifier, obey changes, Bebre Ebeco, I'm a player for four, and some Etimabantos open, you know, no, your says about a Champions League now, and non a Roman Abramovich, and T. Mepacha, and biography now, Babontain, a book no, Panina, your friend, a Carlo Ancelotti, and Satrono, and some in the womb, Kakadia buyer, I'm not able to just a Tama Kaka no Yakuda, and opinion for Rivaldo, and Ramidi Kakadiano, and Comacho, also Rivaldo. The reason to a man who call you, Emma Kaka, and still ever born a Kama, and it's not Rivaldo, I had done a bonding that is City Chelsea, and no air by a Demamo, opinion for Jimmy Floyd Helsaban, or Bob Antosian Fun to just a prince of Leandro Ganacho, a good business, and a Charles Yayano, also a soccer ball, or your prince for the Langa, Anthony, or a ball, no job, Prancha, your funnel, a Ganacho, 40 million, as a chance, a good business, also wins or ultimate left, ultimate right, or the 40, at this boy, and just why a good business, I don't some no, and some Mamma Jumajin so, and my persona Bobo Kuno, among Etimi Aquasa, a year real Viado, among Avenue 3-1, Mamma first going on Viado Shano, goalkeeper found one Garcia, and the first major mistake. Our club, now you're from Barcelona, and ye, or by so far so good, Remember, a Yadian, on the map, when Susan or Baba Bob be and say two baby no person yet, Ronaldinho now, on one end, Rebo, and your coach say, Bossa come back and a Juma, and more Renfrey, say Eric Garcia, says so important player, at my club from a Bossa, a branch now, your friend on. Robert Lewandowski free bench have a share go and I'm a man fan to just a player now me patrol Emma Refi say Robert Lewandowski na Ronald Arroyo on us enya go to one similar to Marcus Rashford the corner kick and Arroyo epem editor again Rashford assign assist at the club na me patrol from Barcelona mame one Garcia near in home come goalkeeper no you mistake no you know manager na your phone Hansi Flick wa babonten abedi din komo be na one Garcia ne manager no say this boy Yamfan to be an sir, or by your beer which made your wedding, or see the way a bus air born in ye, and or your mistake or sabataba, or your bus of fana, or your mammy playana, or so or your bus of fana, ebataba pa, or say be a born by an appear, and so appear, and no idea to say, son or more air bomb bono, it's on a dear or dear person, I almost town and your boy in a mistake. No more said a bus of a person bomb bono, and I never one Garcia, and no out of your Jema Mutamajin so, mammy play an F and a pedri. I game no again Pedri go so Bergman Yamina Koye and I game no Panabi and my fan to just a Pedri and a great man Santi Cazorla. When it says Santi Cazorla, what be your oldest ever captain? What about Edia Club from Barcelona over 40 years and opinion in January a Pedri not just say or two Pedri for Kakra Zanyaman and Sabakoye Santi Cazorla no I had one summer to and non Japa Demamo. My man fan to just a Hansa Flick or your Barca. I am manager no winning 50 matches and my boss since obey coach and my club on 50 matches and I'm not opinion so to me I win I get to one some to Rafinha could pray and some brain across we go you Rafinha Frimo do babino be and just na Rafinha now we in a free gentleman Rafinha because only there or your top player games like a saying now or to me Jamanima branch no the tennis opuli and then hamstring and then a man manager and a frimo na game nan kasa pana be here basa for no be brayam so mo become next game against Sociedad and then a PG Rafinha Kopra me pacho mami video na me nkomo we aya time game ne pa na we or kofo team bus no na o we say the OC 90 year me so woni say yeah because we na ntene dia ase okokama ase on sedan tongu su bebre entin ebia na nya serious na na pay abrante be kwakotwa scan no na bia so timi aya come on sports city or even ko sign in autographs and my fans na just apprentice for Rafinha ne jana pia na serious said ne yesin enso ehuna ye don sana tuja na Frankie de Jong Robert Lewandowski and the change game no enso de man Barca na Robert Lewandowski ya yedi aya no nkomo yi ma me fan tuja so de tuja so no epra aya de season no omo ball pre-season bi ya and no Robert Lewandowski no opra ye woni say 153 matches was 104 goals and a German Barca since Sophie Bayern Munchen by about 153 as 104 aya 20 assists 124 in total and no aya goals aya plus assists and no some Brenton edia tuja aya de Emma Mojumajini so Brenton in front of Frankie de Jong no abesisa game ni na second half no na Frankie de Jong no akura no se ball na wo bona ya kwese oni wo Barca team no na mu ya team because Casado mu se mu hunye husa se mu ya dia sanya Casado mu kwa de omo ball se Frankie de Jong pa no abetoto niema ma men fan to get say ye can dodge for mo si Kandiyama Barca ayadiam wababa so ayemienu in terms of ayan numbers only Ronald Koeman what you call Ronald Koeman 264 ayan matches 264 only ayan Koeman omina 264 and so far omatimi abo and ayan Frankie de Jong and opanya for Ronald Koeman ayadom semen so tuja ewo ayadwumageni so no opanya for Hansi Flick emisawo say Barca game no about 4 matches in a row. Winning 4 in a row without Lamine Yamal. Not just a team, no. Say, and yet Lamine Yamal team. Or New Crowd boys, no. Etimi, a year, Jumano. Yinchi manager in Sama. Or can't edify. On the last 4 games, on my winning, almost start playing in him.
Oh, it's good. It's good. I think we made the right decision in summer when we make the transfer. I think we increased the level of the team. So. More in the deep also, and this is the important thing. Also, some players are coming back. Of course, we have some injured players, but at the end, when everyone is ready to play, I think we have a fantastic team.
Team will be ready. It will be a little bit jam will be able to me put. I say Ronald Arroyo and Ababa told us a crown from Arroyo, no. So Payment son as I said to Tony Nigeria pass as a Hansi Flick. Emmanuel Aya number 1 center Bassano, and so no any lead center Bassano, and no what Benjamin ye passes. So be a ball, a Ronald Arroyo Basso, say a crown of Bona Wobus said the year. It is a Kubas on any boat, someone on any bit a year true. Or material pass Ronald Arroyo, and it is ever Sunday as was started. Our club number 2 Sunday Sotuja. Ayo Jamaji so Emma ayo Renfi Emre Gusu ayo team come on amefa went to just Brandon Bremo said they made every Manchester United ayo play and what say ayo Bremo kwaba to Brentford Manchester United and Brentford game now and also Airbus no yenya report on there says some Bremo show go on celebrity yes Bremo did pass a club man a platform and they will do Manchester United now ayo Brentford intend no so go and the Manchester United the former club ayo Brentford and yeah they so be celebrity and I am Bremo, and yet one summer to ja. My men for Sansa went to just apprentice for the Kobe Meno, our Manchester United, and one minute 2 and him Sakurano, when you're back at United and paying for the January or man and call. Now, you're report on there, Sir Barcelona Bobo Kono. I do more monitor Kobe Meno the situation now. I'm per se or more for a short time, and where a short be a short time no more than Oba. Now we replace Gavi because we did pass a Gavi. Emma say, "There 5 months Gavi Enyamai Oba Kura me patrol so be recover time ya some fofro." Kobe Meno are available until say make us Barcelona. Ayabo Kono almost say January. Some for winter the Kobe Meno situation say an etia. Omako catch Manchester United Bobo Kono. So mo pe Kobe Meno 6 months. Alone and no air to mamo na menu na yesi Ruben Amorim and in the team no more you know power current you know or we pass defensively or you weak and or the ball now or you slow unpassable on the anthem it is the reason tell Ruben Amorim and my printer for the Kobe Meno and starting matches and more matches and from Manchester United and it's or you slow one feel for the ball now passes and content and again defensively and it's or you weak as so mukuswa but more you know doing some to me reports Manchester United ever cross Saudi Arabia January akọ so many player Adenaba, Ruben Neves, Ayaja no bo Adema wo, Sama Renfi no Hila, Manya reports Manchester United and Ruben Neves, team Commerce Jet Boy, on Betuma Kofanon Adenaba, a January Mona branch number 12 so Adema Club and Patria from United, and Teba Boya Munchen, Dusan Vlahovic, Abeto Dasane Boyan for, or Moshe Akurano, Namu Panada among Kofanentem, says Dusan Vlahovic, Bojumapa, or Yajuma Papa Penagro, Kojuva, Ayaja Nema Kuyase Club and paying for. Monitor, no, you say Hurricane, and pay for the year when someone you are quite about we're in the last season. As for both season where we are, or better returning to England, and to know animal is a boy and forever plan. So, Kobasa Hurricane Qua, why and on the Eba original, Nicola Johnson Dino and Edasuho, I don't want some to that name of Junior, me patron, Ayadia and Sembre and Elcoso, na me patron, Ayadia no Piemo, Aya Brozua, Sa Nema, Yatua, Debia name and Kofosu, and a name dear NSS name said ye Dabano Zanema no ready so about. Na yen we are yen Santroni. I just your phone a Rodolph Wababontain na Onini and some of Wababa Canadian West. Ose name Junior, what am I bonnet a unity, or say name now money danosono, on your serious Bakokra, no one Casancas as a footballer, ne hurt on fine every, also whiskey, and some whiskey. Name a Timmy whiskey from Anopa. Ekwape manager ona wotime wi whiskey sa na all we whiskey no owia na chesem or the shisha enso e dia ka ho na otime wi shisha sa won say enu aba de hu shisha no say na tie what you say Omofan hookah, say a hookah, say a shisha, and images in be an abortion. Na a branch and say, name at one nana Joe, or da a year 4 a.m. to 5 a.m. And an adjoining a say ya, we whiskey, no bonus shisha, and say ya, no the baby, and do an opa 5 a.m. and 4 a.m. a fay and a no or babeda. A branch in me.
Dorme das 4 das vi. E eu só posso dizer que o seu vídeo está correto. E aí ele disse, ele Neymar, tá escrito, tá no meu WhatsApp. Ele, vou dizer exatamente como ele escreveu, tá? Ele é viciado em whisky com energético.
O siu aya branch no for a branch no agunanima se enti name statement ne ne se ultimate baba ntenso no onantem osoro me patro whisky na otwe hook shesha nyina aya nema akwane dia baba gunanima se ntesi make so kokot enom aya name so siu a branch no heavy eno eje ba ono abia no supposed to energy drink no enso ede ba ya yeto wonsam na enso tuja enom aya nsane bia ba ya demamo Gonzalo Garcia aya madre fakura princess robia tenen kana mademo na awosoro ye pa yesa akra no ebeka cha madre mpain for so besre ayade January omoma no kolon ewo baabi nyina so we Mbappe mo and players na kind of born no mo born o diri pass nu no so it's a branch no person fi club no no so ekọ na okoresa ndema be koye enso eja ma na yeto wonsam na tuja enom ejeba woni some Marcus aya Rashford yesi ne enya Barca nko a Barca oja 27 million omunya 27 million pounds ometumi afa akoda no na ne team na ye permanent yesi PSG club no enso eji akire monitor branch na me pato your friend Marcus Rashford it is season upon a real Rashford ni e ma re say team na you from PSG and some ebe performance no much so mo kwa be bona say emwa Aston Villa say Morgan Rogers omonton ne enton wochina it wa dream be say January omo beton Morgan Rogers omonton no because mo did pass akwa no we come on plans ho na enya de say sikasam no say mo kasa ne PSR no ha omo no omo de omo say derby omo did pass dead boy omo enton no ene ye jeba Manchester United for so much didn't come up na Ruben Amorim de so ma bona to pa so wanyere ne ho a kwambia so mbepam no Oliver Glasner oh yeah me patro coach ma Crystal Palace no yesem mpanyimfo na didn't come on we say we obetuma babo aye club no into one plans ne say we obe plan B and so be plan A ejamomo ekobasa Amorim enema nsadan koyia enom ejeba Dortmund and Karim Adeyemi omugusu no contract won sansam no omugusu edi won koma enche omu be renew no contract no enso ejamana yedo won sam enso tuja Manchester United boboku no omu se Carlos Baliba ma omu ko aye Sevilla aye Lucien aye Ngueme omu ko sa boy no mefoda no omu betimi afana fall on this edin komo na for on this you be say semasa oba ye de wahwe pa no so hwe wa bobo papa ono for on this ba bi ni yenko bi sa coach na ye friend Ruben aya me pato we Arnold Slot yenko bi sa Liverpool coach no de coach ne person ye bia no aya de a wo ye yemfa ntodwa coach no eka so onye se ne wa ye na won hwe ya otu America pa oba Premier League mi America de otutu bebre enso ewo wa enya gro na ogide e be say na difference between Bayern me patro Bayer Leverkusen and Liverpool ni saying because Leverkusen obi anim sa ko jebo na nya gro oba aye club na ye for Liverpool the difference ni saying and also who ni say onu ko ni coach na ko di unkomo o release ball in term do our Premier League no buy no aso oje ya no pass e o wa Bayer Leverkusen na ntisa oje a o ye nema kakra na oni manager na tinkomo ama manager na catch and say aye press no intensity a clubs na the press no and so e ka won man release ball in term enti oje pass ade ba ko slow in football no and some oje ball no pass e so nya botre eno aya kra na for and vet and some on no oje todwa ye de ema mo awoduma je ni so no ye tinkomo no adagule ye so no so ya de awosro o so said the name na sisi keka kona na no me to wani say sisi no adu so hwan e na efimu amaju Bellingham aya feta wait me abaju Bellingham aya feta ada be free ho and as Aden started games and said nay what's us what games in the last 9 games in na no akwana starting aya from aya pre-season amoko World Club and as a FIFA Club World Cup no ebe pe me na match bia kwanu guso and so Bergman yes apprentice did pass ba bia na keka kono and some one we are not so no and am paying for be in free mo and no e be told ya dey mamo ma men front to just Bruno Fernandes aya 50 aya 50 akwana record bi a or the jersey numbers mienu and I say 100 goals said my club now from Manchester United or no say jersey number 18 or they say 50 goals and we change it from 18 to jersey number 8 and also they say 50 goals and to jersey number 18 50 jersey number 8 50 100 goals and so far was and you two and in summer bonabaso and jepa ya demamo yanko Trump aya tower ewo aya New York City our America aya minum ehanye me pacho eha and no jumadi kaseba ko and so etimi ekoso nina say FIFA and paying for ekwatenase anacha so mo twentwe football ho our Trump aya tower ho enom jepa ya dema mo jumadi so na omukodi omo no be pray and so etimi koso World Cup 2026 World Cup 20 aya 30 our Trump tower Mame Fantuja, say Ayadia FIFA paying for Panya for Jenny Infantino, and a Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez, Omomuni, and so on a Spanish, Spain, one Prime Minister, and also 2030 World Cup in Spain, Morocco, and Portugal. Na for mommy and mamma number video near New Como, I'm Kosia, Adam paying for the FIFA paying for a present way and so Adema, a Prime Minister of Spain, our America, my name is Biasu Kama. Nana number 2 and him 64 teams are, and they countries, especially South America for no, a World Cup, 64 countries. Na country be pray any World Cup be mono or panya for the Jenny Infantino say obetitim koma be brinjintum na yesi Europeans na de omon person be so kra na Europeans na njantum e be den because football no do to United pass Europe na koso empire for the mame time na omudi omon komo no tim say we dey akase for pa na at table ho no obi a tena say wow football for no hwesi uto ma hwehwe dan kro ejanom eje pa yaje mamo eno eje to dwan no mame fo we ento da so pem nsamfo from ayaja brancha o Manchester City eye Savino City for a man new contract Savino afa Savino nie ayaje na nko Spurs Nemo Wanyanko said them pay for the 3 year pass on a new contract. No Piaso come William Saliba. When your man a club me patro your fellow Madrid. Now William Saliba didn't come over pray or send or no or your striker. Now young sign Fantuja say ayajan the first time. Our back kayas na pass and my metal Theon Reed Jesse and so Edemano. Or your striker feeling the power. And so a branch na me patro your friend or Zlatan Ibrahimovic. Or we are and also the best. Young Fantuja say a mess in his Samoleto. I want to say DJ Droba. Africa party, there is no player, and it is a Samoleto.
Simple one to kick us off. Who was your footballing idol when you were growing up?
Messi and Samuel Eto'o.
So not centre back?
No. When you are young, you don't watch the centre back. You only watch the striker, the wingers.
He's a bit underrated, Samuel.
Yeah, but
I do as well.
For me, he's the biggest African player all the time.
Yeah?
Yeah, for me. And not only for me. But Drogba is a legend, but for me, Eto'o is better.
I think this links quite well into our next question. Did William Saliba ever play a different position?
Yeah, of course. When I was young, I was a striker or a midfield. I started to be centre back when I was 14.
How were you up front? You
go 4 clubs like this. Well, they didn't pick me, but at the end, it shows that I was good.
How many goals were you scoring back then? Because I know
when I was young,
yeah,
a lot.
Really?
A lot. I was a killer. You can ask. You can go in my city.
Oshano, no a killer. Oshogos Basa. William Saliba, no a striker. John Michelobi, Atu Tubi. Ediamanem, Robert Sanchez. Robert Sanchez. Now you have Sabi, stupid red card. No Okudi. I'm a Manchester United for Chelsea. And on John Michelobi, Yentin Sama Michelobi, Kafa Sanchez.
A massive mistake. It's a huge mistake. I mean, he knows that. I mean, I'd rather play the whole game with with 11 men and 1-0 down than to play the whole game with 10 men. You know what I mean? So for me, it's a matter of not trusting himself. Because if you trust yourself, a goalkeeper that trusts himself would have pedaled back and gone to his goal line and be, okay, let's see what you've got. Try to beat me. Because I trust myself. I can bet on myself to maybe defend the goal, but he just thought, you know what, I don't trust myself. I have to go out and make a rational decision. It was a rational decision. Let him come, face you face to face. You're the goalkeeper. Make yourself big and try to make the save. But he was like, you know what, I don't trust myself here. So he went out and make a rational decision. Yeah. A decision that he didn't need to make. So for me, it was a stupid mistake to put your team in that situation again, because we know it's Manchester United right now.
We say Chelsea, Uncle Donnarumma, Pep Guardiola, Ehun and Okofa, Donnarumma, Edenaba, Yenti on Donnarumma.
We want to win yesterday. Not now. We want to win yesterday, the Premier League. Last season we want to win. This season we have to win. We can't wait to get Mignon for next season. And then we start, now we've got a goalkeeper. Let's go and win the league. No. Every season is a season where we have to think about winning the league. And I thought getting a goalkeeper in, a top goalkeeper, that you're going to look back every time and say, you know what? We've got a goalkeeper. We've got a top goalkeeper.
Robert Sanchez. So, no more say Ganacho, coach Liam Fonso, one for Ganacho. We're going to Ganacho percent. No, probably be a Manchester United. For instance, still, Yamfa Ganacho, I'm a Bobonibi.
of Garnacho. I just thought that game was crying out for Garnacho. It was crying out for Garnacho. You know, back at Old Trafford, he wanted to show the whole Manchester United fans what they're missing. Why did you let me go?
You can see that. So we win the conference and stay no. About also the Manchester United. They say Otina Ketchuano so 290,000 pounds a week. No, they say Otisi cutting in also. And ya just saying one Tisicano so Omodebemano and yet Jama Musiela and you will saw a Vincent company. Jim Komokakra internal AJ no. Unin Sabaya never that Bremen 117 times. I am most our German Bundesliga match. I bought a Totopa. The last 31 matches Bayern. And so Alusu just one. Eddie club and I from Veta Bremen, not just a Bremen for one more ever from pa. And on WL Burton, we saw win like a star. What dear WL Burton, Cosana Burton, our WL Burton, and when you come for answer the mount, it took Cosana Burton, so WL Burton, Yet and Yakama, Dr. Amuzu, and Jamuzu Pin, and Swedia, by Namuzu Pin, Kwamuzu Galibitas, no, it be our just from Estonia, Biaba Bopi, Amuzu P, a year infection, Sadro, Amuzu Galibitas, a Bama Blood and his secretary. Amadabia unya hoten me pato sase na no nombe na MOP mamemfa we ento anim se ayade gastomesha ne menso plus no ebi awodwa so nature medicine father Roma gastomesha aye for aye stomach ulcer me pato bia wanya stomach ulcer ye funtayo ya wadro ni menso plus aye yenua mama no wadro no ne sabi so menso se ba na wo de oti pains be bra kopa dro na ye for the menso plus ne bi ne nature medicine father Roma ano mo de abadwa so empayfo nya tenase ye be komo asoye na ye din komo Shaq 1 aye Isaka aye Shaq 1 no yenua Shaq 1 Isaka baby Shaq will be in Shaq and then and so anopayfo nya tenase na so mo nim Shaq
oh yeah tia ana pe tia Shaq 1 yes ya bre tia ye nyina so tia no
mo tia Shaq
e tia Shaq 1
aden adwen ben na body tia Shaq
said you wonye lotto operator agent na once anya mine na wotia no de ye ntia se
na woni de hoye
Shaq 1 Shaq 1 na woni lo Shaq 1 Shaq
aye mo twa so muni momodo ndo ne yanko momodo ndo ne yanko muni ya mo fa no mafia why
I was say ya wizi oba
mo fa ya
that's right eti ya dase yede da bonkrata na busafo ebremo na lawyer pani nyame abasa Ebeneza oni chuku edumfo no kwate nim ho mo ana akwa no so enu e kan ya ntene ke Judge Kobo Jack Kobo enu ya kan se enu ya kan 9 enu ya kan miensa 7 enu yo
Kodim come so at the front Sunday and if you black meteors omo Australia by bedi come South the Blasters of Ghana so you know that meka at the show sa brand your friend Tariq Lamptey ACL and until 6 months Odimim bo enfama Fiorentina South the Blasters of Ghana South do any HMA Alidu Seidu ono so a right back and oboku e fed Rene and some bay and if you alidu ono so aso ye ba yatina say ye de ba be so matiefo a eti won to me TV na face so ye de honsam no e de abo won to me TV live on Facebook messages be and so awramo kwa me ba cho share na fofo so enya adwumade ni be and share ba cho wramo we young G or say Oshaya at the if you are gonna swedro Sansona peace man or say hala madre no manita if you go so akable on message na baby PM or Sansona star boy we Rafael Mansa Barrister Tete Leonor Francis also good morning couple and your squad want to miss sports Papa Edo Isaac as good morning Edo Jacobu Muhammad so message was Sansona Diane Kube Francis Kwasiba on also so message wa Sansona Emil Smith Abeku Kenya we Rooney Benjamin also so Roma or the message about ya can be and so for Justice Owusu or some Justice also from Bechem. You guys are doing good job. On also so the band waiting on Facebook. A want to make TV live a new page. Can I send also so follow now I share enough for so monitor Jumadi and so from at the Shadrach production team. Abantia, your friend okay to one and a chief executive producer Sasasuna Timono, Omina Combina Tenasia, yeah, they want to me sports bite at the Babasum and Friday morning. I still the baby girl Asafunia Branch and also Hochinchim Kamana, Najumedi Bianso Kama, and so Hoyansa and Samana say, Eddie Free the Ghana National Under 23 Black Meteors, also in the Eddie Free and Anna head coach, a Desmond Affair, Nansen Tim and paying for a point, say a free Samuel Koide, or no Anabasha, now for no Blasters and Stam coach, your friend Desmond Affair on a Remo, now for Ghana National Under 23, on our head coach, and Yonokwa, Jean Prekwa Kambi, Sasuna Babanu, Omo, and a Kwakwa assistant now for the National Under 23 Black Meteors on Amakako hair, Nantuchena Kwe, and so at the moment Ghana, at the home 7 at the Emma at year 4, year 3 National Under 23, you remember the Blasters of Ghana, Omo Asoya Kaina Sananso, say a branch of an Ali do say do Nansentemo. Konya injury Emma Bebo so many konumso ni team a friend Rene one team NC kan fa mo Sason the Blasters of Ghana Ali do say do and team NC kan fa mo good news about say now twemu no ono emeki come back and oboku a je a friend Rene no and a branch friend Ali do say do wadin komo say ena ni jesemi pa say after long time ono atranche no onya akonya besi akan ena oboku a je a friend Rene yente sema Ali do say do and so at the two draft I say ACL injury no I will cover Eddie film.
I was just waiting for this day. So the day the doctor came to me and told me, Ali, now you are cleared, you can go on the pitch. The feeling was very, very amazing because like I've been out for long period and going back on the grass was very good and I was so happy. I called my family, told them today I'm going to train with the group and I'm going to feed the grass once again, and I was so happy. I was very, very happy because going through this process of this.
Ali do say do, and so the two just after 6 months ACL injury was about Ebesia Kanamo Bukua, your friend Rene, and Honsam and the MIT for your free Blasters of Ghana, so a Remo over the National Sports Authority, NSC, Ashe and a Remo and Raja and the pitch panels and drew young paying for testing BBR and so the Kama a pitch cover panels on my tested and some MP and a buyer say pitches and your bush shows out also but now sorry I na musician will kubosho na pitch in Ankasano Amakakutia and I'm so I'm a pitch in the condition and I call from team paying for Tenase at the pitch cover panels at the Abana Venom a menu and a baby drew I'm more tested now for my Mubako now Boma Bibianso Kama to her television Sasona want to meet TV live on Facebook pitch cover panels and all and I say NSM paying for air trial mother car esiso I say all the bibi mo do siso a better effect our pitch in so anti panels to na nyaba bedru ye behwe na yimu ba ko na aboa the National Sports Authority amodwuma de bibi anso akoyi kama e de hon sem na e de ema atiefo eguso the National Sports Authority omo asoye NSA boss e openya fene Jao Ampofo Anka openya di nkomo e de fa baba sports de mebusa no say you say e make progress and kaka grass na aye green na da bay and e bebo active football oh baba sports de openya je fene Jao Ampofo Anka am I update and the for the condition and jumadi ekoso oh baba sports stadium.
I think with the pitch I'm going to use that word again. The process where we've reached is that we need to plant a new layer of grass to strengthen the existing one. You would remember that the pitch was in a terrible state. It was resuscitated, rehabilitated to a point. But there's one thing having green grass. It's another having strong grass that you'll be able to play consistently on without actually destroying the grass just after one game. That is 80% done. Now we need to strengthen that to ensure that it becomes more robust to withstand the Ghana Premier League and indeed any other matches that will be played there. The other infrastructure work.
And I say, boss, Jaampo for anchor, and I'll tell you the update. And my idea free Baba Sports on a Sporty FM. And I can come my Bobby, and so the amount and Nana pay. Negusuajina Baba Yara Sports Stadium. They and I said the club licensing board. Omo Ashaji Bibia to mo. Say Abray Puma Kumasi Asante Kodoko. And Omo games outdoor and Subetima Tuja or Baba Yara Sports Stadium. No answer. If you want to buy a day MIT for you about sports Stadium, Romo, the Ghana Premier League, no cherry, a match week 3, and I don't want some a day banana and a games and a shas, Yabokua, Jafran Accra to folk, our the nation's Wembley, Machada Accra Sports Stadium, Manibokua, Jafran Techima Level Wonders, and at the airborne in a sad game winner, Honsempi, and if you Roma saying. And a head-to-head, you know, a home city had to folk and a Techima level wonder so much here. Say the home city the year 2020, 2021, no, had to folk as a level wonders academy, you know, or more anti-man to be so the same season, no, level wonders at NFL lose 1-0 aside my car to folk about 2021, 2022. Had to folk as a level wonders a canon 9 and more at the Emubako, Sasona 2021, 2022, Kwananum, 11 wonders as to full Canimino, and Mamo Etimu Baku to have to have the new Shoma. On my last 4 games, had to folk Arene Emu Mensa. I'm 11 wonders Arene Baku. Last 4 matches between 11 wonders and I got to folk, had to folk Arene Mensa, 11 wonders Arene Baku. And I say, and a bit 5 p.m. or Accra Sports Stadium, and had to folk and a Techima 11 wonders and a day a burning and a head coach and I will book with Techima level wonders a knee or date lante on adding common idea for game no say minimum Ukraine a bear 12 challenge a bear 12 game and I will book with Techima level wonders no mum or me are motivated so after 90 minutes on me for 3 points at the Frida Accra Sports Stadium. Yeah, who say in Sabeka, ni or date lante on a head coach.
No, it's a big task. Yeah. But then we motivate the boys, correct them, and then I think playing against Accra, it's a big task. Yeah. But then we motivate the boys enough for them to be able to give up their best against Accra tomorrow.
Okay, so Hatterfolk, this is in how well have you studied aside, or how well do you know this particular squad of the Hatterfolk?
Well, I think they had a good technical team. You can't take anything away from Didi. And then I watched their 2 games, which they did very well, but also there's some,
And some opinion for the new or data lamte, and so they are to get anyway, and pay for some fountain so we more Casper Stadium. Happy Arno, Eguso Dijuma, until if you 3 p.m. Utimi Remu our stadium a free entrance. And to a free entry, the Remu Baba, Udiwemu Accra Sports Stadium. The answer will call between 1 to 3 p.m. And I said the home 70 happy hour. Had to folk Techiman level wonders. The same happy hour. Remember Saturday our Doma Diana Stars and it's all blacks and also Utimi Remu. Yes, a free entry at the Mankra and Ma. Aha, until our February view, oh baby girl be a free entry our Doma and maybe Saturday. Now we know yes, Kofi AC on your musician about performance as a trending. Aha, on your musician will be more Doma, no matter performing the home seminar at the MIT for Nigerian Stars head coach. Opinion friend Choba Aristica game against Sweden All Blacks. We didn't come out at the Farm Boy Nigerian Stars at the Air Train Sweden All Blacks.
It's only 2 days. Yesterday, Monday, have the free. Yesterday, have to training morning and afternoon and try the player recovery from last game. Today is starting the training and preparation. I have only 1 day today. I have another tomorrow and after tomorrow preparation the next game and put what is good from the last game and fix some problem from attacking people and what problem from the defensive about last game. 2 times, 3 times our defensive again is the mistake.
And my head coach, I don't know, Boko Fene, Diana Stars, Chioba Aristica, on what they are to Jadia Fahon Bomaye at the Air Transfer All Blacks at the home seminar at the Airboy. I'm found as NB, Emma Natural and Company Limited, and about your 3P Gallic Mixture, Sasuna Kojak Farmer, or the any Chomaso Bibiako Kama, and so at the amount Semens Vita Herba Mixture. A fan again a glory. And what does it be? Immunate herbal supplement. Sasuna Power Specialist, Herbal Hospital, so as I said, Bar Herbal Hospital, almost a account be Chemistry Company Limited, and it does all Herbal Clinic, Sasson Donichema, Alaska Star Enterprise, Midimafo Herbal Center, Tabia Herbal Company Industries, Best Brain Publications Limited, Sasona Ruta Natural Products, Gentleman Dental Clinic, High Sense, almost a account be Betway, I'm the Betway Awards, and so about ABC game about 10 a.m. I drawn about Toja, Sasona 1 to me Sika Pudwo, a star 426 star 20 ash. 1 to me Sika Pudwo, Nameboa 9:30 at Tinasia, Ebedi Hong Kong, I show 1 to me Sika Pudwo. Emerson se capo de Supremo. Eba na fe capo de kwama na nsema ka echi na no or the eba MCR ay precious aha ne ona na pia bibia de atuma se do na number
oh zano ka cheo
on jamba
oh David eba team ya mi ona wan
eba
ba mi ya onya we
okay
ti no se ona onya we why yeah we bibia sorti bibia
okay no I still bonity ko
sa
I still bonity ko
you bibia
I see the brighter so
the brighter yen channel say
the brighter
uniwe no so koso
okay and then na nyame boss
china the brighter
on the mercy of
yes nyase be talk about the
tension can dia bom
ani awade sopa dondo yen komra lati wo abuja for ko amrone na afi yade latest no abashara kreatin kaso de local latest ni na som ademana no pay call na afi yade enkomana no pay enko na afi mami Spain omo prime minister na yeni komo woni Gianni Infantino awono ay president erima FIFA womu ko meeting na ko so nyina no ya se omu ekodi komo ekorese nyame aduma 2030 womu World Cup no say erebe sia Korea for statement and prime minister adem Spain your friend say Pedro eri tu nyina no and say or Portugal and after Spain and Morocco womu ebeka mu abom na after womu host 2030 World Cup and some neighbors almost in unity and after diversity and power and one more carbon celebrate me a bomb now for woman to no then your man coming to me atuma 2030 World Cup no Spain, Portugal, Morocco and one more bomb celebrate one more meeting and the prime minister and then Spain your friend your Pedro and from to Danina no you know some atemana UEFA one more nyame atuma next week I say UEFA so meeting some suspend Israel and then one more free in the European tournament yeah boy mo na ninyina ne se nyina ye nnyama eno nkoso Israel na unja report and second yes majority of the executive committee when after federation or one more and some in favor as you ban Israel at the free any European committees na so baso and as aircost they won something no at them never say Europa and the Champions League and say Europa League and the year boy nyina no ye nnyama aircost Israel na and the report about say Donald Trump administration ayo imagine say on pese womu keep in Israel our World Cup 2026 qualifiers and on aircost mama Trump on said Trump on Israel womu president in that TV no so no na yes Trump na down for power and some any Israel womu man penino and yes Trump na ye kululu wo ye kana chichi bi say the bear womu and some let me at the Israel for no I can World Cup on afe womu and some let me abo anko for a racing alarm as a kwabia so as a ban Israel as Donald Trump there one address our teacher say all keep Israel mine no a report for my paper na and a former player I want no dini juma Eric Cantona fanama me na ni komo Cantona say 4 days later and Russia woman tokwa woman Ukraine and some yesterday na 4 days per antokwane started no ana FIFA ani UEFA womo suspend Russia so Russia foi de mu yentimi mamon participate world football either UEFA and as a FIFA competition mamon no the ban ama Russia na mo the ban ama Russia no 716 days in year we have a genocide and nyama and of course for Israel as a mo ya double standards what you say munim de mo ye FIFA and UEFA mum ban the Israel for in terms of pra na munyi wo and some FIFA competition and no ayefo no mantebe say wo mo pilot panom Cantona and so Edward Abano na FIFA World Cup na me adoma ngaba so no wo mo value free mascot wo mo table said nations in free yo Mexico yo ene o me fa Canada and yo US of na mascot no wo mo say mabo the most mascot or represent Canada and afem Zayu di Jaguar one represent Mexico and afem clutch and as a clutched eagle and also represent United States Tanzania and yasemeto way 2026 no and yatem na won commander na Germany for Oman Valley womo ensom New Jersey way a league Jersey and second as nyame aduma 2026 World Cup no way a home Jersey and nyame aduma womo ensom ebetimi ase our tournament no asizwa onsem German machine no womo extra T engine womo ekuta white and after yellow no ensom womo red and after black and so woman nyame aduma no and womo ensom na ase home Jersey yatem the sunlight asirin na no atem no Luis de la Fuente a manager at the Spain national team no na okaya wakwakwa interviewer and then interview akwa ni na no and say once boss manager I finish hands of flick akwa interviewer was Luis de la Fuente na so den ni na say Lamin Sama akoda bia na so call national team cup no na manager when so the precaution ato kwa be fa so na isu boy manager ya so den ko isu akudai ama say akudai kwa ball when to be more informal boss aboboko no and Luis de la Fuente and they to say the accusations our manager I find some hands flick at the banana masa and I guess some unknown Wabeka Bibia Fawo was I don't care about statement manager friends and flick and some they make and no say ja dam and some Spain and after Barcelona coach and flick Muntema yadim I want something in no and Bamamia Brantia you find a real Gomoha or a player and I'm Liverpool Eboboko no and new deal come Jamakudaya say until June 2028 and after Akuda IFN is a real Gomoha and some Juma project no a long-term project and Akudai and some Ajatum Ajama Liverpool Womu Eboboko no na Hugo Akitiki were player and I'm Liverpool Womu Gema Womu Boy no say Oroni JC I'm a JC Akudai Roye I'm a Kofan Sempi Bra one and some let me say go na Diati as of Enra and some let them as a Liverpool for say one punish Akudai and no and a salary and no more punishing as it 2 weeks there Akudai and some new wages no one bete nisika and no ayo telephone madeba na nkwafa palaipa na Obama me and the Gabriel Agbala Hall was say the Akudana ya son sem and Hugo Ekitiki and some way ya no say and we a player na was go na ya dai watade na Liverpool cray and was go dia momo na was go adema France overall boxer shorts and I said then was him the Akudana ya no a soul and as a sign of arrogance what you say ha kasem na fe say adia we no kwodwe ho a on just Gabriel Agbala Ho akasa
has come to you, Jeannie Gab, and asked you to grant him the wish of having the rule change where you get booked for taking your shirt off. Are you going to grant him that wish?
No. You know what I'm going to do, Alan? I'm going to sit down, Ekatike. You're a bit of a prat, aren't you, mate?
Excuse me?
You're a bit of a prat, aren't you,
Ekatike?
A bit of a fool. Like, you scored a tap-in. Why didn't you go over to Chiesa, who could have shot, but he set you up for a tap-in, run over to him and say, thank you, mate. Why are you running off and doing the messy celebration, Messi scored.
Botapino, and then I saw your Federico Chiesa or no, and I did assist Emawo, Konya, Nakodana, Sesame Das, so Pierre Bordiamame, the Unimisao Road JC, who go Ekitike, and that branch of Gabriel Agbala Hall, and so HB Ade Amana, Yado Samadeba Mami Messi, now your Messi, Ewa Monteso, US of A, and that woman sporting Messi, also Messi, and Adidas, our do, now Messi, Aquasa Sneaker, now Sneaker, now Messi, Aquasa, Nike for Snake and a Messi Aquasa at a month for Sedenesi and so sponsorship do when the Nike free and I say Adidas for do now or Kwasam Pabua Snake ya now what question Nike for dear and a month for say Messi BBS na one Adidas for us Bibi ho and I question some for start a raising Latina was on the boot our Janimo Messi no more yes a month for say Messi Chelsea and they get you Messi no and I'm the baby na gay some and I'm the baby ya I want something in ano at the number several kamame arrange William Saliba near Ninkomo our Arsenal long term deal and yet as a boy agrees or a boy a juma at the ama Arsenal Boboko say acquire setback and ama Manchester and as a Madrid once a Madrid you imagine say one for Saliba one fan say one our from because Madrid for one slogan back home and it's a Madrid entia and they come as one fact today and on also Jatum say on no board and a Liverpool and as Arsenal on a long term deal agreement number yes as set and as a soccer Madrid for you pa and on a diaba now say yes by no and so say and it's a woman out to the Arsenal no and ya need jacket to and some Liverpool meba onemo mame and a branch of Savino and some there was sit Boboko no Jamaican is a Savino and so there what them about Tuka Iwomo and so they say or Tuasote Amasiri Boboko until 2031 and Yasulia and so Anchakrano or the pen embassy paper and some now extended the day ama Manchester City the Sergeant and no I get for my deba and when I catch us a manju wamu ako fertilizer ako fa kodabi ya fani Christian Orisco na kodani Christian Orozco na kodawe ball with defensive midfielder opiapa na reporter manager say Manchester it was 750,000 per and we them echo 750,000 pounds and a Madrid for and I say manju etiade afa kudai nyame aduma next year I'm na be dini jumade I'm a Manchester United Boboko na reporter eba me say manju reporter men some can say abrantia your friend say Mark Mignon woman Chelsea yasin tokwana no ayepa nyame aduma 2026 no woman here a competent goalkeeper and Mark Mignon goalkeeper yasin manju and Chelsea team no woman ya brem na woman woman play na so be dini juma atem abo mama sama musiale miani koma anwa awo Bayern Munchen woman training ground sana ba Strasbourg anwa na kudai ensom monitor Vasan company any team no enti sama musiale ne o hwe training dendenda kudai ya bompaye oba no abobi ajama no because boy injuries and reni akudai ball awo no so ball and on the phone man de Barca anwa come back to me masa come back Keynes and woman said woman as a roll of Viedo at what the Barca woman can answer the name of Viedo for 23rd minute woman can twat na and I say Garcia Ebateye I'm a Ruben Abranche Fanisa Lewandowski and some go to us Ronald Araujo and the Bako Kao na Enra goes no be an Sadaka project and then so now we say Sadaka Ronald Araujo a body go no what dedicated go into my Gavi on the Gavi is a go on the simple I will know and some Ronald Araujo Enra the go our boy no or dedicated and then Amaunia Yatem and 70 at them another pay oh show those into celebration and I know some like also Nanra Union say assess I know Marcus Rashford Enra why are stairs oh and that's only and some you say afa adamano wan so go assess no and some about consistency yeah Juma day ama Brentia your friend say Marcus Rashford I don't some no and so but Aaron Garcia and then man of the match gamer and record so na Pedri and no one Santi Cazorla woman you know and so na extended JC at the age of Santi Cazorla does a senior my pa and Barca for 10 or pitching so brapeni woman and what Juma dendendia na nyasa meto Santiago Cazola and I'm no son of game Imanra when we game with Petri and I feel what and some necessary JC with Santi Cazola woman swap and you're doing some no and some whatever now boss and manager artist and you can want some at the amano na uchimusa and oya jumapa and so flick say when you're 50 wins at them I'm a bouncer as a manager obey a bouncer coach no match Marco I also 50 or no and some the 50 victories at the I'm a bouncer eboboko no and I can phone my table latest no ya dem emanaro pe so now winning Sam say manager no area to the Sanra Drentia Rafinha well you know and the film say crown enra when you slight discomfort our the right leg abra second half no and some kosanunti and no manager where changer we see a bench of say Rafinha at the free game no more I dem na won champion now winning Sam enra and interview I cross no one area game no and manager answer flick kakra what dem to do Musani say Luis de la Fuente akachi o say Lami Yama and come na ukodi no no de won fa wo on kai abadia wo kakra and was say okay so was on kai dia dem so betina aka ne say no problem and no a response a manager I fan answer flick what am a Spain manager Luis de la Fuente.
De la Fuente le han preguntado por su opinión, sus declaraciones sobre Lamine Yamal. Ha dicho que no le interesa lo que usted diga sobre el tema. ¿Qué le parece?
No, if he said this is his opinion, it's okay. I can live with this, not a problem.
Thank you.
Okay, thanks. Okay. No, sorry, we have to go.
Opinion into me and some Caribbean for no manager of the Barcelona and so flick na to Jamame a branch to Bolanam or yeah Jumapa. Yati Jude say I want Madrid or Mujemno I could that way or no say Jamaican is sim or Butler first player so say or report our Madrid training and I feel where the last player our film Madrid City our no and some training and say the recovery no and some no on say be something take 2 days here and o call surgery ya chance ne obetima recover na fe mi o ma kama me te say Madrid derby obenya minute no and some na ball after Madrid derby no and I said derby and on the baso no and e be say manager no et no about the room I was starting 11 as a match my friend say Madrid and Sonia and some fitness level no ya ba assessing after Madrid derby and a report from Madrid say ya say Madrid fan say William Saliba at was Arsenal woman say and Liverpool and by Ibrahim Konate and ya say Omadua Ibrahim Konate here ama here fam and no ayetene woman and some Nadia say Oma tension no akodi Ibrahim Konate and some Antonio Rudiger me te say na me aduma Saudi do no and say ya bibia ntime prevent area amount for no ebema no and some Remo Saudi Arabia now ono akotwas because say Rudiger no say oya some aba from and no ayete from Mateba do 70p and someone about Spotify Camille Barcelona when we Spotify say when we and some renovating Spotify Camille no one of the stadiums when you see and what Europa top yakasa capacity no 100,000 woman ability on some match venues Europa over Wembley and I say Spotify Camille no 105,000 and I say Wembley 90,300 and I say Santiago Bernabeu 83,000 Signal Iduna 81,300 and I say Stade France no and some over 81,000 ya dem I won 70 no at the Banjura Stadium na a Barca womu and we renovation in womu no and some about the first stadium in Europa o top capacity ya do some at the Unai Emery our some Villa Boboko no 18 consecutive seasons manager and some about Europa so say a true veteran a European footballer wouldn't come to Unai Emery and so everything was a positive. We are very excited and I feel we are very motivated as a big season we're ready as we try at the 5th time our European tournament tomorrow yentia Unai Emery kakra one and some to Ghana fineba and now ometwaso
the season. Just how hard did you have to work to see that one through tonight?
We won in precision. Thank you. At home, I felt always here 3 years since I arrived, always strong and confident and creating and building a great atmosphere with energy, players, supporters, and today I felt it again.
Top manager, yes, sorry, I'm here to my 9:30 bar. Now, yet my bet was with them. No 9:30 bar. ABC draw no. You better 10 star 262#. Now for what? We can be obedi. Nami aduma. Yeah bar. Or any bar. Nana see with the privilege morning show. The true Liverpudlian is up next. I will bet was so. At 9:30.